So, what do you call this?
Yeah, I haven't really named it yet.
Okay.
It's a photo booth, I guess.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try out the keyboard photo booth. You need a quarter. Okay.
Give it a second, it should start printing out back here.
Okay.
One of our guys in charge of digital media, who's nervous to saw these things, heard about security and mobile. Really start that.
Oh. How long did it take you to build this?
It's like 5 languages.
I probably got about 24 or 30 hours into that.
Oh wow.
But it's like I would check
Very towards the back.
like we're paying him great. He wasn't doing like enough content to make anything for this for real living in the US. You know, I'm sensitive to that.
Perfect. Thank you.
How are you feeling about this? Do you want more work? Like, what do you think? I'm good.
Hey guys, I just landed at San Jose International Airport. Say hello.
Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, you're vlogging right now or whatever?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Hello. I know you.
What are you doing?
It's about 10 a.m. and we're at the NorCal Mechanical Keyboard Meetup. We've got about, I think there are about 45 people here. We have vendors outside and other people here inside. But let's go check out the vendors right now.
Oh, so the thing is screwed into the top?
Yeah, it just, the top part sets down over it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Better than yours.
I want a shot too.
I like that finish on it.
Why did you take the space bar? Because it felt.
Okay, there's like a lot of people here and the venue is starting to feel really small. There's not enough tables for everyone, so people have started putting keyboards on this ledge.
Yeah. Kind of like you guys said it. I think it's. Okay. I knew I heard it click, and then someone called me in that direction. Yeah. Just wanted to get a close up on those Toker space bars.
One. Oh, jeez.
Okay, I mean, yeah, those are great cars. Volkswagen, most of the stuff they do is such. Sorry, 1 second, Russ.
What you're seeing here is the QMK Proton C, a Pro Micro replacement.
You can check out the video where we kind of run through the basics by we made a casting tutorial video together.
And then they have like another machine that
Giveaway items are from Azio. I think it's they're giving away